Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll want a vibrant mix of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about combining about 2 cups of sweet berries, 1 large, juicy melon, and 3 zesty oranges. For added variety, include about 1 cup of crisp grapes, 2 tangy kiwis, and 1 crunchy apple. This combination ensures a delightful balance of flavors and textures in every single bite. Now, let's get to preparing your beautiful fruits. Begin by thoroughly washing everything under cool, running water to ensure cleanliness. Next, peel any fruits that require it, like your oranges and kiwis, and carefully remove any seeds or tough cores. The key is to cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ideally around 1 inch for larger items. Smaller fruits, such as grapes, can be simply sliced in half. This consistency makes for a much more enjoyable eating experience. To elevate your fruit salad, a simple dressing can make all the difference. It not only boosts the natural sweetness, but also helps prevent some fruits from browning too quickly. A classic choice is combining the fresh juice of 1 lemon or lime with about 2 tablespoons of honey. For a creamier texture, try mixing 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt with a tiny dash of vanilla extract. Remember to gently toss your chosen dressing with the prepared fruits right before you plan to serve it. Finally, let's talk about serving and storing your delightful creation. For the best experience, serve your fruit salad chilled in a beautiful, large bowl. You can add a lovely touch by garnishing it with a few fresh mint leaves or a light sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to about 3 days. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.